Hyperlapse and slow motion videos are finally here for the Ray-Ban Metas, Gen 1s and Gen 2s. It's been slowly rolling out to everyone, and I finally got them in my Metas. In case you don't know what a hyperlapse is, it's basically a time-lapse video with movement, and slow motion is, well, slow motion. The Metas will actually slow videos down to 1/4 speed. To get these features, make sure your app and glasses are updated. The current Meta AI app is at version 244.0.0, and your Ray-Ban Meta should be at version 19.2. Now with everything updated, you won't even know that your Metas have either hyperlapse or slow motion video capabilities. There's no option for either of these in the app. But if you ask Meta if it can take hyperlapse videos, it'll respond with this.
To take a hyperlapse video, say, "Hey Meta, take a slow motion video. You can record for up to 30 minutes, and the playback will be around 3 minutes long."
Yeah, I don't know why it tells you to say, take a slow motion video, because that's wrong. That's Meta AI being Meta AI. You're actually going to want to say, "Hey Meta, take a hyperlapse video," or "start a hyperlapse." That'll get it started, and when you're done, just click on the shutter button or tell Meta to stop recording. The video is recorded at a resolution of 1024 by 1376 and at 30 frames per second. Just to note, no audio is recorded when taking a hyperlapse. Now let's ask Meta if it can take slow motion videos.
Yeah, you can take slow motion videos. To get started, just say, "Hey Meta, take a slow motion video." You can record for up to a minute, and it'll play back in a 4-minute video.
Okay, this time it gave the correct prompts. Here's a quick sample of the slow motion videos that it takes. The video it takes here is at 944 by 1248, again at 30 frames per second. And just like before, no audio is captured when taking slow motion videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So go ahead and test out if you have these features and have fun with it. Now I know I have a few international viewers and even some here in the US that aren't getting updates. It looks like Meta is doing a rolling update with these features, so if you don't have it yet, just keep checking and make sure your app and Metas are updated. And hopefully they'll be available to everyone soon. Alright, I need to go make a hot chocolate or coffee or something. It's getting cold out there. See ya. Wow, you're fast. Slow down. Teleprompter. Now let's ask AI, the AI, about to cough. Hopefully they'll be, wow.